Maybe it's better if you pick up your messages in person. You'll see David tomorrow. Good night.
What are you doing? No. No bite. This is what you do when you don't want a monkey
I'm gonna stay out here for the next 2 days. Cancel whatever
to
I've
go
got to reschedule.
where you don't want him to
Have the
go.
plane stand by from 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Lots of
And set up a
scary
vineyard cottage.
masks.
I don't know, flowers,
You place
candles,
them
singers.
wherever you don't want him.
Call David's secretary. It's the only thing she ever does.
Minus.
Why not?
A three-headed
Hell,
dog, he's not afraid of.
You weren't.
The grill on top of the light, he is.
Thank you very much.
And the spook in the corner.
Good night. Frank, good. What is there, an epidemic of sleeping sickness? Okay, listen. David can't stand pain, so I want you to give him a combination of morphine and I don't... Okay, not morphine, but something strong and mixed with a sleeping tablet.